What's up YouTube? Today we're going to take a look at the Homax Wall Texture Pro Grade Orange Peel that I picked up at Lowe's. This stuff comes in I think a 24-ounce can. It's a little larger than some of the smaller DIY texture cans, but anyway, this thing, it looks really cool. It's got the primer included. You can adjust the texture to heavy or light. You can adjust the pressure coming out of the can, which is nice. But when I actually used it, yeah, that's what your texture should look like. That's what it looks like. And it's not quite dry, but it dried looking like that. So I would not recommend this product. It gets a big thumbs down from me. Yeah, this stuff was $19.99, and I would not waste your money on it. It's great because you don't have to prime it, but it's definitely not worth the hassle and not worth your texture looking like that. So if you have any other questions, please let me know. Like, subscribe. Have a nice day.